want to focus this episode just really on what I expect from Trump and Bitcoin in the next 6 months. What I don't think is that I do not believe the Trump administration really takes Bitcoin seriously. I really don't. I think that the fact that they launched these two Trump and Melania coins right before the inauguration, it just tells me that they don't quite get it. It's clear they don't really understand that this is going to be potentially a way to really solve the U.S. debt crisis. And I think that's disappointing, but I also don't think Bitcoin cares.
Bitcoin's trajectory remains unstoppable, regardless of the Trump administration's stance on it. Wall Street veteran and mathematician Fred Krueger firmly believes that Bitcoin is primed for unprecedented growth, with the potential to hit $1 million, not just as a possibility, but as an eventual certainty. Since Trump's inauguration, Bitcoin has consistently set new all-time highs, climbing 6% in the past month alone. With trillions of dollars flooding the market, Krueger sees this as the investment opportunity of a lifetime. Stay tuned until the end of the video to hear his insights on Bitcoin's future and its massive potential. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio, and get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each update contains on-chain data, forecasts and expert predictions. All of this is available free of charge. It only takes a moment to sign up and you can always change your mind later. Now back over to Fred Krueger.
Missing out on this opportunity of Bitcoin strikes me as an incredibly bad trade, right? Like, you are potentially you're not going to get, and I think the thing about Bitcoin is, your generation is not going to see another one of these things that easily. There is going to be some amazing AI stuff coming, but it's not necessarily clear that you're going to be able to even invest in or participate in any way, right? It may in fact take your job, right? You don't really know if AI is friendly or not, right? But I think, you have this opportunity. Bitcoin is like right here in front of you. It's a great opportunity right now. And my point is, you're not going to see, you wait another 10 years, and you're 36, you're not going to see that, you may not see that opportunity again. You know what I mean? Like in your entire life. So I definitely think this is a make or break moment for a lot of millennials and Gen Zs. It's a make or break moment, right? Because if they make the wrong move, that's it. They're done. You could basically be locking out, the best period of best years of your life to acquire any kind of wealth. If you haven't acquired some kind of wealth by the time you're 40, it's going to be tough. I mean, I hate to say it, but it's, it gets tough. You know what I mean? Time you're 50, forget it now. Like you better have nailed it, because it's just, there are some examples. The guy who started McDonald's started in his 50s, right? But, in general, you kind of got to acquire wealth early. So I would say owning real estate right now is not a great way to acquire wealth. Was it a great way to do wealth? Even in the 80s, you would have been better off buying stocks. Okay. So, really what you should have done in the 80s is going long the stock market. Very few people did, right? It was very similar to kind of where we are now with Bitcoin, because people always said stocks were overpriced back then. They were like, this is crazy PE, 12 PE, that's crazy. Like, why would I buy stocks at 12 PE? Well, because it was a great buy, right? Like, that was amazing, right? And hindsight's 2020. But I think, I really think right now real estate is if you really shouldn't look at it as an investment. You should look at it as a cost. It's going to cost you something to live. And, it's really how much cost do you want in your life versus how much savings do you want to do? I would recommend people save more, and I would recommend that they save in Bitcoin. I think that you're going to be better off saving in Bitcoin. Any analysis you do, you're going to be better off saving in Bitcoin as opposed to saving in your house. That's my opinion. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. And I think, you kind of have to go, as Wayne Gretzky said, you have to go where don't skate where the puck is. Skate where the puck's going.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to access my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox.